Happy Friday, everyone. I hope you are having a nice Friday that isn't as miserable, but if you're in the miserable, hopefully you're doing something to make yourself very happy. So today is Friday, yay, and the last day of Leather Jacket Week. So I pulled out my favorite of all my leather jackets. So a few years ago, I just had a craving, a total craving for the ultimate, like, authentic motorcycle jacket. And it's not, like the motorcycle jacket you get from Free People. It's not the, moto jackets you get at, like a boutique. This is like the you wear it and you live it type jacket. And I have to tell you, when I found this one, I just fell in love with it. I needed it, and I got it. So yes, it's a very, very authentic. It's that thick, like if you were to hit the road, this would protect you a bit more than, the ones that you get like from Free People and Macy's and all that kind of thing. This is the ultimate. It also came with like thinsulate, like pieces, like 2 of them, to make it so super warm in the winter. So I have that too. I can make it totally cozy. I absolutely love a leather jacket. I at one point did a blog post about what I should do with it. Should I just leave it clean? Should I try to like batter it up a bit, like slam it on the ground, rub some rocks on it, that kind of thing, and get it kind of like worked a bit so it looks a little more unique. The other thing I was thinking of at one point was painting it, and painting it with the different album covers of 9 Inch Nails. Like have one album cover on the side, and the back probably have like, I don't know, just all different kinds of fun things. So I had these different ideas in my head, and I didn't do anything about them, but I think I just really do like it this way. I think I want it to just wear the way that it's going to wear as I go through the years with it. But yeah, so this is my authentic, this is my favorite leather jacket. I actually put a link to a version of it from the same company on my Like to Know It, and it's at a really, really, really good cost, because I spent a lot more on this than what it costs on the Like to Know It. So definitely take a look if you want to have that authentic feel and look to it. I mean, come on, the hardware, like, oh, to die for. So I just paired it with, my new Rolling Stones sweatshirt from Target. I absolutely love it, and I thought it was perfect for this jacket, and some ripped up jeans, because, you got to have a little more rock and roll to it than it's already looking. And then I added my knee-high boots with a heel. So I put the heel on. The heel, as I've said to people before, great thing about a heel, if you can do it, is that it gives your bum a nice lift. It gives it a little rounder lift, and it looks really sweet. So that is my week of leather jackets. Now, as I always say, you're not going to see that just as it's the last time you're going to see a leather jacket on me. I will probably pull them out more for the rest of the challenge, and I'm really trying to figure out what I'm going to do for holiday. So if you have any ideas of what you'd love to see for holiday, please don't hesitate to comment or DM me, and we can talk, because I think that I'd love to hear from others on what they would like to see this year. It's different. We're probably not going to be going out to parties and that kind of thing. So maybe a holiday looks different style-wise this year. So have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be thinking up what I'm going to do next week. So I hope you all enjoy your weekend, and I will see you next week. Have a good one. Bye.